The 7 areas of concentration in the core curriculum are oral and written communication, history, language and literature and the arts, philosophy, religious studies, mathematics, social science, and natural science. We refer to the first 4 of these 7 areas generally as the humanities because they were originally introduced into formal education during the Humanist Revolution. The first area of concentration is oral and written communication. While writing and speaking are part of all of your courses, they receive special attention in your 2 first-year seminars. Through research and reflection, you will learn to make writing and speaking matter in different contexts and for different audiences, and to communicate with clarity, courage, and compassion. These seminars support you in learning how to present your ideas creatively. They affirm that finding and using your voice is essential for the work of social justice.
The second area of concentration is language, literature, and the arts. By critically evaluating and interpreting works of art and literature, you will be invited to join in a shared imaginative world. By studying the arts and literature, you'll improve your cultural literacy. And by connecting with the aesthetic and ethical expressions of other cultures, you'll gain a greater appreciation for those cultures. This carries with it a moral obligation to use imagination to foster community, understanding, and mutual respect.
The third area of concentration is philosophy. This area fosters critical inquiry into perennial human questions by exploring important texts in a range of philosophical traditions responsive to those questions. Because of the centrality of the question, how ought we to live, at Regis, you will be challenged in philosophy to cultivate habits of discernment and critical reflection on crucial human concerns in order to strengthen your commitment to work for justice and the common good.
The fourth area of concentration is religious studies. Through a critical engagement with sacred texts, beliefs, and practices from around the world, you will develop an appreciation for religious traditions. You will learn the skills of asking and responding to enduring religious questions, and you will explore what it means to be human in relation to the sacred. These courses invite you to explore many traditions, both religious and secular. A deeper awareness of religious experience encourages mutual respect and interfaith understanding.
The fifth area of concentration is mathematics. We live in a world awash with numbers. As an educated citizen, you must be able to understand, interpret, and use quantitative data in relevant and meaningful ways. By learning to think critically and to apply logic and quantitative methods, you will learn to organize numerical data, cultivate the skills to interpret and draw conclusions, and develop the ability to recognize how results apply to a variety of situations. By becoming quantitatively literate, you will cultivate an appreciation for how such skills are put to use in everyday life.
The sixth area of concentration is social science. In these courses, you'll examine human interaction from the perspectives of inclusive justice and service to others. You'll explore both observable actions and inner experiences, thoughts, memories, and emotions, which together comprise human behavior. A social science perspective will help you to develop the capacity to critically evaluate all aspects of human behavior and systems in society.
The seventh and last area of concentration is natural science. Science is a process of inquiry based in the formation and testing of hypotheses from empirical observations. It is also the development of models and frameworks which organize the results of that inquiry. Using the framework of a particular science discipline, you will learn foundational concepts, develop the skills needed to conduct the basic method of study within that discipline, and cultivate an appreciation for the relevance of science in many different aspects of life. You will become an objective, critical thinker and a stronger problem solver as you practice the process of science through observation, analysis, interpretation of primary data, making predictions, and drawing conclusions.